Have a good day, ma'am. I am Cesar John Gomez, 28 years old, graduate of Bachelor in Science Hotel Restaurant Management at Pasig City College. And I am the eldest in our family. And this is my first time to apply abroad, but I have work experience here in the Philippines as a gardener.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
2, ma'am.
Do you like babies?
Yes, ma'am.
How about children?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have own children and siblings, ma'am.
What have been your specific duties as a gardener in the past?
As I started as a gardener, I involved in weeding, planting, washing, weeding, and additionally, I have uh, cultivated soil, prepared beets, and prepared beets and ensure the plant's safety by spraying insecticides for all of them.
What specific tools and equipment have you used to help in your gardening work?
I can operate both manuals and motorized by by left blowing and streaming by using picks.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am. Uh, um, if you give me a chance to pick me as a gardener, I will promise that I will do my very best to be a good gardener, and I will promise that I will follow your rules and your regulations without any complaints, and I will treat your family as my family too. And have a nice day, ma'am.